Hello and welcome to how not to make creamy Dijon chicken with zucchini and herby potatoes. So once again, I do recommend pausing the video at this point so you can see the steps and review them for yourself so you can know whether or not I'm actually following them. I generally do though, but just in case. So we start off with chopping a bunch of potatoes rather randomly. I still am not really swell at chopping potatoes. Drop them on the pan, organize them so they're all kind of facing up. And then I kind of pour some oil into the cap there, sprinkle some salt, some pepper, and then some Italian seasoning. Don't remember exactly what was in the Italian seasoning, but in one of the videos I think I actually did a close-up of it. So the next thing here with the zucchini, I went ahead and trimmed and halved them lengthwise, and then I made them into what my opinion of half-inch thick half moons might look like. Then I started throwing them all over the place because I don't know how to do that fancy thing that chefs do where they kind of take the pan and they throw it, or they kind of lift it and then pull it back real quick and it looks like everything goes flying, but then they catch it all in the pan. So if someone knows how to do that, comment or leave a comment in the comment section below. So in the meantime, I also had some fun with the greens and the whites of the scallions. Didn't go tremendously well because I'm not entirely sure the perfect point to keep the greens, keep the whites, and if you keep the whole bit in the middle as well. I'm still guessing even weeks later. So the next thing I did, I went ahead and I've got the chicken going with a drizzle of oil. I did thoroughly season it, I believe, with the other half of the Italian seasoning and some salt and pepper all over. I ended up cooking it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Somewhere in here you can hear the timer go off real quickly, and that's when I flip it to the other side. And I'm doing my best to brown it on both sides and obviously have it cooked through. Meanwhile, we're tossing some oil, the scallion whites, and garlic to start making the sauce. So that's what you see me stirring up right here. And now I am slicing the chicken lengthwise, I believe. Took me a while to kind of figure out the right way to cut the chicken. I kind of was looking at it this way, looking at it that way. And sooner enough, I decided to go with the way I did. So I've got my chicken plated, dropping some zucchini on top. Next come the potatoes, and I'm trying to make the presentation as appealing as possible. Dropping the sauce on top. I think I forgot the garnish here, but I think I put it on later. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.